Good morning to all of you. I, Brijesh Patel, lecturer at Government Polytechnic Palampur. In behalf of Government Polytechnic Palampur, I welcome you all in this FDP Tools and Trades in Online Education System. During COVID-19, we adopted this online education, and after COVID-19, we started offline education, classroom teaching. But after COVID-19 situation, new term is introduced, is called new normal system. In education, what is new normal? So in education, new normal system is the education, offline education system with online tools. So we can make our education, classroom teaching very effective. So during this FDP, we will learn how we can use different online tools for our effective classroom teaching. So let's begin our introduction, and for that I request to our head of the department, Ms. MD Sami.
A very good morning to all the participants, each and every. Um, our principal, Shri S.D. Dabi Sahib, Gujkot's member secretary, Dr. Narottam Sahu, our eminent speakers, Dr. Ketan Bhatgujar, Dr. Chetan Bhatt sir. It gives me great pleasure to inaugurate this FDP of tools and trends in online education. We welcome all the participants of different colleges to this FDP. I am grateful to our principal, Shri S.D. Dabi sir, for encouraging us to organize this training, our directorate office for the timely support and permission, Gujkost for supporting us in this endeavor, and looking forward to for a very active participation from our friends of various government colleges and self-finance colleges. So on this note, we welcome you and we begin our training program. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now, before we go further, I request to all participants, please join prayer for a short time. Please join a prayer.
कर उनका खैर मकदम तू ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधी से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं। ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता। दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ाए, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन। होगा विशाल तरुवन वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं। ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उसके रहते हरगिज़ हुआ पड़ा है। कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ। हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं। ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
Now, our chief guest, Dr. Narottam Sahu, Member Secretary, Guj Coast, he is not able to join us due to some network issue. Now, I request to our guest, Professor Dr. Ketan Badhuja sir, to give some inputs for this success of this FDP. Ketan Badhuja sir.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Good morning, sir.
So, respected principal, sir, respected HOD, all the participants, I welcome you all on this STTP specifically. Today, probably more than 55 professors, lecturers have joined this specific STTP. And this is really very relevant in this era because since last 8 to 9 months, we are delivering online education. And most of us were not trained for this. But then due to this pandemic condition, it has taught us a lot. So this online things has also been taught to us. Thanks to government which introduced us this MS team through which we could survive and we could in fact carry on the agenda of teaching and all. But then there is a lot more than to this. There are so many tools available for online teaching and that we really need to learn. So I have gone through the planning of this FDP and I see that most of the online education tools have been covered through this STTP. In fact, we see that people have gone ahead of this online education, and nowadays you have all the material available online. You have lot many YouTube channels. You have lot many portals available, such as Byju's and Unacademy, and lot many more portals are available, which are offering school education. For professional courses, you have MOOC courses on EDX, Coursera, and lot many more. So suddenly a parallel system has come up which is challenging our system, right? Now you must be knowing that before 10 years Kodak, Sony were selling the camera. But suddenly within 10 years those cameras has gone up and something new came up which were not their enemy, which were not their rivals or companies who are participating with them. But due to advent of mobile, suddenly people forget those cameras, and now 90% of people are carrying out with mobiles only. So suddenly the market of cameras has gone down and something new technologically came up, which were not even Kodak was thinking of. And now Kodak is almost out of market. Now very few people are buying camera and everyone is doing away with mobile only. Similar way, we professors are not looking to the challenge which is coming up in the market, which is a parallel system. We feel that we will be there for ages and ages, but no, gentlemen, no friends, it won't happen. There is something MOOC courses, online courses, which are coming up in such a way that after a few years, people will not feel to come to college and they will do everything on their own. In fact, nowadays, Upgrade and such kind of portals are offering degrees from IITs and IIM, where people can choose degrees on their own, people can choose subjects on their own, and just at the comfort of sitting on their home, they can complete all the courses staying at home. They can do experiment visiting those places for a few time, and they can earn the degree. Such degrees have started up. In fact, in foreign universities, this trend is there since 3-4 years, that you just have to register for courses, and if you can do some 10 to 15 courses, they can give you the degree. We also see that there is a decline in admissions to engineering system and engineering colleges. So now people are slowly turning towards online education. In fact, my son is in 12th standard. And in 12th standard, you remember that in Gujarat, specifically in Ahmedabad, you don't have choice apart from Alan Bothra and all other classes, Resonance and all these classes. But in 12th standard, when this pandemic came, my son completely gone online and he done some Alakh Pandey physics wala courses and Pooja ma'am's math courses. So everything he did online and he did not require Alan Bothra or all this kind of a thing. So that is a challenge to them. But for us, for engineering education, we have to learn all these tools, and we have to come up with solution so that we can compete with them. And the education that we are taking through ages, we have to modify ourselves. We have to keep ourselves ready with these challenges of online education. Online education does not mean that you start camera, you just present your PPT and complete the things. There is a lot more involved things are there into this. So probably through this 5 days of HTTP, we all will learn with the new things, and hopefully we'll be able to update ourselves, make ourselves comfortable with the new challenges that is coming up. So I wish all the best for all the participants, and you make maximum use of available resources with us, and all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ketan sir, for your valuable inputs and motivation. Our guest, Dr. C.B. Bhatt sir, is not able to join us due to he is in meeting. So now I request to S.D. Dabhi sir, Principal Government Polytechnic, for his inputs and for vote of thanks. S.D. Dabhi sir.
હેલો ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ઓલ ઓફ યુ. આજની જે ટ્રેનિંગ છે ટૂલ્સ એન્ડ ટ્રેન્ડ્સ ઇન ઓનલાઈન એજ્યુકેશન સિસ્ટમ્સ, જેને માટે હું આપની સિટી ઓફિસ તથા ડોક્ટર કેતન બટગુજર સર, ડોક્ટર સીબી ભટ્ટ સર કે જેઓએ સતત માર્ગદર્શન પૂરું પાડી અને આ ટ્રેનિંગ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરવા માટે અમને પરમિશન આપી છે, તે બદલ તેમનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનવામાં આવે છે. ત્યાર પછી ડોક્ટર નરોત્તમ સાહુ, ચીફ ગેસ્ટ મેમ્બર સેક્રેટરી ઓફ ગુજકોસ કે જેઓએ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ સપોર્ટ પૂરો પાડી અને આ જે ટ્રેનિંગ છે એને ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરવામાં બહુ હેલ્પફુલ થયા છે, તે બદલ તેમનો પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનવામાં આવે છે. ત્યાર પછી આપણા કોઓર્ડિનેટર શ્રી AM કુરેશી સર અને BM પટેલ સર કે જેઓએ રૂટ લેવલે કામગીરી કરી અને પોતાની યથાર્થ પ્રયત્નો કરી આ ટ્રેનિંગ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરી છે, તે બદલ તેઓનો પણ હું ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. ત્યારબાદ ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલના HOD શ્રીમતી MB શાહ મેડમ કે જેઓએ સ્ટાફને સતત મોટિવેટ કરી અને આ ટ્રેનિંગ કરવા માટે માર્ગદર્શન પૂરું પાડેલ છે, તે બદલ તેઓનો પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનવામાં આવે છે. ત્યારબાદ આ ટ્રેનિંગ જેમના વગર શક્ય નથી, તો એવા બધા જે પાર્ટિસિપેન્ટ્સ કે જેઓએ આ ટ્રેનિંગમાં પાર્ટિસિપેટ થઈ અને ટ્રેનિંગને સક્સેસ બનાવવા માટે પ્રયત્ન કરેલ છે, તે બદલ તેઓનો પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનવામાં આવે છે. અને લાસ્ટ એન્ડ લીસ્ટ જે પણ સ્ટાફ આ ટ્રેનિંગ સાથે ડાયરેક્ટલી અથવા તો ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી સંકળાયેલા છે અને ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન કરવા માટે તેઓએ સહયોગ આપેલ છે, તેવા તમામ સ્ટાફ મેમ્બરનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનવામાં આવે છે. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable inputs. Now, I request to AM Qureshi sir, coordinator of this FDP, for program introduction. Qureshi sir.
Good morning, friends. Thank you very much, Davi Sahib. Thank you very much, Madhvi Madam, and our today's chief guest. One.
I request to all participants, please mute your mic.
Okay. Our chief guest who could not attend our inauguration or orientation program, but he really encouraged us and motivated us for this program. And our both of guest of honor today, Dr. C.B. Bhatt sir and Dr. Ketan Badgujar sir. I am very thankful to all of them because they are really motivated for arranging such kind of program, because whatever we have seen that NBA process is going on throughout our state, and these two people are really leading our team, and they are guiding us step by step, and they are real motivator for all of this program. And let us pray that we will get a success to reach optimum height, and we will surely attain the best height of education by getting accreditation. And thank you very much, Ketan sir, and thank you, C.B. Bhatt sir. Now our orientation program is over, and our guest may do their routine activities. And now I am going to discuss some outline of the program and what are our perception for this program. I will share with you. For this, I have already shared the FDP schedule, and I just want to share some few things which are not listed in this particular schedule. Our FDP is bifurcated in three based part. One is our that portion is new education policy, and our new education policy is the aim of our government to make our education noble education, and with so many challenges we are facing, and we will definitely all the faculty members from all the branches we are trying to reach at height, and our two experts, Sri Ketan Badgujar sir, will enlighten new education policy, and to know the detail of new education policy, what is the idea of interdisciplinary education, that will be explained by Dr. Mihir Bhole sir. Mihir Bhole sir will enlighten the concept of interdisciplinary education, that is the new education policy. The second part is like online tools. There will be two sessions regarding online tool. Generally, in such kind of FDP, people are expecting that there will be tools and we will discuss tools. But we have already gone through the many trainings. We have attended Udyam training, and many tools are available on the platform. So basically, we cannot say that we are not aware about tools. So we have restricted ourselves with two sessions on online tools. The remaining 8 sessions will be on how to manage online and offline. Because it is a now within few days or few weeks or few months, we will continue our routine education with offline education. But whatever we have learned during this year, last 1 year, due to COVID pandemic, and what we have seen that there are many opportunities for us that we can routinely used in classroom to enrich our offline education. Students can realize the concept by using some tools, and there are many concepts like blended learning, flipped classroom, and we all team have added some new concepts like student counseling, ethics in education. So we want to balance not only the online, but we are going to manage with online plus offline, and we are going to reach at a optimum height of the education, where we can nicely implement new education policy, and we can extend our limits, because our technical education is right now facing many challenges. So if we are not using these tools, nobody will count us, because we are government faculties and private faculties. We are the pillar of this technical education. We need to reach at the extent, above extent, and we need to have many of tools, so our student will get better job opportunities, will get better technical knowledge, and that's how we will have the better India. So this is the just introduction of our idea behind this FDP. Now there are some instructions for our participants. First instruction is you have to attend all the sessions. Second instruction, there will be attendance 2 times. I will share the link in the WhatsApp group, and the same link will be working throughout the session. There will be 2 times attendance, morning session and evening session. And the next thing is we will share now after this session, we are going to assess the fee status, and we will communicate the participants to complete that fee process. And our next session will be delivered by Dr. Ketan Badgujar sir at 1 o'clock. So all the participants should come and join at 12:50, 10 minutes before the session, so our expert can start his session at 1 o'clock. And one more thing, the session will be of 1 to 1.5 hours. The remaining half hour will be utilized for question answer session. So 2 hours lecturing is not there. We have to execute bidirectional communication, because learning and teaching is about bidirectional communication. It is not just listening the speaker and doing our work. We have to learn, we have to raise our queries, we have to discuss with all the experts, and because our expert, you can see that majority of our experts are quite knowledgeable persons, and we can learn many things from our experts. That's why we have tried to manage experts from various fields, not only from that our colleges, government colleges, self-finance colleges, PDPU, and also NITTR, and we also added that invited Mihir Bhole sir, he is from NIT, so we can know. And we have also one session from the independent speaker, Dr. Shyam Chavda. He is online tutor, so we can get what is online education, how the people are dealing with. So I hope now it is clear, and I want to ask the participant if anyone have some queries in this regard. I hope it is clear. आपको किसी को कोई प्रश्न है, कोई क्वेश्चन है इस ट्रेनिंग के रिगार्ड में? That should be bi-directional communication. So I hope answer should be there. Any question? Okay, I hope everything is clear. So we will reassemble here at 12:50, and Dr. Ketan Barguja sir will take a session at 1 o'clock. And I'm thankful to all the participants for showing their interest. And we will reassemble here 12:50. And meanwhile, during this time, we will complete our fees payment and other further procedure by mobile communication. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Qureshi sir, for your inputs. And all participants, we will join sharp at 12:40, 12:45 for first session. Thank you very much for joining us. And we will share you the list of participants, all the detail of participants with you soon. Thank you very much.